Live, is it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Who knows some of the live? Nobody? But yes, guys, you know, so we just done cook. I'm house, me there, is it? Yeah. So look what go on, see there? See the video I just done do, so I'm going to look out for the video tomorrow, is it? See, Peter, just done cook my food. Yeah, man, see, Peter. Yeah. So, you know, so I have to look out for that video today. Tomorrow, because you know, so I'm going to edit the video. Is it? Yeah. Just done cook. Is it? Wait, look, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up yourself, page. You come from the life. Yeah, man. You know, so yeah, see there, guys. Look what going. Them they wanna go see in the video. This just don't eat this. See there. So me I sweat, guys. You know what I'm saying? Cooking me just done do. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, guys. Is it? So you know, say me go edit the video. Yeah, man. Can't wait. Yeah, man. I go see the video, man. You see me? You don't know outside that. Me do want to do a live video with when me you see me? The outside when I bathe and everything, but you don't know. Couldn't get to do it in time, is it? So me have to just go live right away. You see me? So what going, guys? What going now? Everything cool? Yeah, 5 person up on the live. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Enough love. First man I go live. First ever. Never know someone could I go live, you know. Yeah. So you know someone I get enough more live video from River Stream TV. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big up my mother. Big up PH. Big up Chevaliers. Big up, yeah, man, IPH. Big up Reggie. Big up everybody. Yeah, man. Everybody was subscribe to my channel. Big up on yourself. Even though you know, some of the people in there now, you know, say, is it? Big up on yourself. Yeah, I'm going to leave the video up on my channel. So anybody can come watch it and see what I go on. Yeah, man. So I always answer the comment them on live now. When even somebody text me and tell me, oh, you answer the comment them on the live. But don't know how to do it. Crab season, no. I know crab season yet down here. So, I win a crab season. Eh?
I remember friend of me.
In a May.
I remember me say something
Me so check if I check and tell you know. I'm not sure if a crab season yet, is it? So guys, I don't know, I'm not gonna stay up on the live long. So you know I'm so gone. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, guys. Enough love. And guys, I really appreciate the people who are come on the channel. If you're new on the channel, you know it's enough love though. Yeah, man, enough love. Yeah, man, I see it. Enough love. Yeah, man. So you know, say guys, soon. Come, I go and stay on the live look longer still and see what I go on. If enough more people will come on, is it? My boy, when you can share the life, share it to somebody else. You know? Although I not really come for say nothing important to me, just come for show, you know. Say right now, don't do a video. And you know, say it's a video I don't do, is it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up yourself, King. How that? Young Mason. Big up yourself, Young Mason, is it? Me just don't do a video. See, the live thing me I show you, know, play thing, you know, say, me go edit the video tonight, is it? Yeah. I go edit the video tonight, see it here. Eat some food. Yeah, man. See, picture. You know, say, I go edit a video. Yeah, man. Whole heap of love, guys. Whole heap of love. Whole heap of love. Real. Big up yourself, brother. Young Mason, big up yourself. Now we got it right here. Yeah, man. What did me cook? Alright. I cook saltfish and baked bean and dumpling. You see it? Boiled dumpling. Yeah, man. And that nice, you know. Say I eat my dust don't eat. So I show on a piece of it. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, guys. Big up on yourself. So Carol no company yet. One. Yeah, man. Cool, my brother. So you know, say whole heap more content are coming up tomorrow. I'm gonna do our next market video too, is it? So you know, say we're gonna have market video for you tomorrow. Yeah, man, but which part I'm gonna go in the market this time? I'm gonna go in the, what you call that, the closed part of the Coronation Market, and I'm gonna go in the Rose Fish, the new market of them build. I'm gonna go in this and I'm gonna see what I go on, is it? Yeah, man. Yes, guys, don't know. They are going to hold it, you see it? Yeah, man. Big respect. So, you know, so guys, soon in the live, soon. Let's come to go on a small update, guys. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big brother. Big up yourself. You see me? Next time when I come live, man, you know, say vibes, is it? Straight vibes make all of the people them can tune in. I'm gonna do it kind of earlier. That means that the people them can tune in and see what go on. You see it? Yeah, and then me just can, you know, with the call that you can socialize with the people them more real. You understand? Like, you see me as and you send a comment and I just answer you and I just big up, you know? Yeah, man. Enough love, guys. Enough love. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, brother. Big up, man. It's it. How much people up on the life? 4. Big up on yourself. Big up on your damn self. Big up. Yeah, man. This time is fine for life. This time is fine for the life. So what for do? Stay on it. Stay on it long. Talk to me now. No want me stay on it long or what? No want me come off for. Because I'm not seeing much people, you know, so me da wait till the next time, you know, the people them there. You know, me can talk to the people them. Yeah. How much minute that me gone? Yeah man, big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself later. How much minute that me gone? Oh that Shannon up. Yeah man, big up. What's new in Jamaica? Anything new? What's new in Jamaica now? Hmm? I would if say I would if I think new in Jamaica still. Cause certain things in Jamaica I don't know. Is it? Alright, like what you thought? Like what's new? What you're talking? Like what? Tell me what you're talking. That somebody can have an idea. Yeah. If is there new money? No. The same no new money no come in. That's the 5,000 that bill the newest money. Them have as high as 5,000 bill. Did they change this life, this style of the money? The style of the money. No. Them change the style of the what? The $50 and the $100, yeah. Maybe if me they have two, a old one and a new one, I could have show you, but you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, them change the style of the $100 and the $50, but that a long time ago. Long time ago. I see some pictures going around. Like what type of pictures? Like pictures with the money change. Mm-hmm. Like pictures with the money change you attack. Somebody just text and ask me that. Them have $2,000 bill. No, only $5,000 bill. They have them have $50 bill. Them have $100 bill. And them have $500 bill. And them have $1,000 bill. And them have $5,000 bill. I wonder if I miss out no bill. I miss out no bill? No, I don't miss out no bill. The rest of them are silver, is it? Yes, pictures of the money changed. But I don't see it. Never see the picture yet. Need to see the picture though. Mm-hmm. You want me to see the picture? Then I can know which one of the money them change. Yes, guys. 4 people up on the live. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Mm-hmm. Eh? Mm-hmm. This guy's more going on a nice live video, is it? Yeah. I'm just updating and say, yo, tomorrow I have a nice video coming, is it? Yeah, man. Tomorrow I have a nice video coming. What is that with the house? With I YouTube something with the house on it? Someone send a YouTube something with the house on it. What is that? With a like a house stuff on it. What that mean? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, the live. Oh, I see you say in the live. You not hear my voice good, you not hear me good. Check. Oh, oh, I never know says that emoji. The things I YouTube so. Yes. Okay. Yes, you can hear me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And guys, I never done make my juice in the video, you know. I never make the juice in the video, you know. I did want to show you on live how I make my juice. But I not bother. Yeah, man. 5 people up on live. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Up top. Guys, I'm still in the life, you know, some more. What is syrup? Yeah, syrup, man. Syrup, see it there? Yeah. This is syrup, Jamaican syrup. I mean, don't mix some. Alright, I mix some, you can see. Yeah. Here cup there. This is my cup. I'm gonna throw in some water in it. This is my water. I'm gonna throw in some water. I'm gonna use some ice. Some cherry ice from out of my fridge. See it here. The ice them not hard up yet though. Oh yeah, them hard up. See it there? So you know, so I'm gonna use some cherry ice from out of my fridge. See it there? Yeah, man. Throw in the syrup first. Throw in the syrup first. Yeah, that's alright for me. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, see there? Yeah, man. You know, I'm gonna stir this right now. Right now, I stir this, see there? Hmm? Guys, hold on, let me go. You know, so me go take out the ice out of the chair. Oh. Yes, I'm throwing 2 ice in there. Yeah. Can't say we never make the syrup on show no. See it there? Alright. Live I make it show you see it? Live. Watch me drink it now. I have to try that. Yes, you can try it, man. What flavor? Alright. The flavor is, let me look, I'm gonna show you. See the flavor here? You can see the brand and everything. Wait, say? Cane syrup. You see the flavor good funny, but come on, you're supposed to strawberry. Yeah, what go on, Carl? They are alive, you know. They are alive. Just don't need some juice, is it? Yeah. Yeah, a cherry. Yeah, yeah, Paige, a cherry. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's cherry. Someone texts and says cherry. Yes, it's cherry. See it here. Food, yeah. You know what I'm saying? There's a video this me don't do it, is it? So you know what I'm saying? Shut up the video, is it? Whole world I see my part, them march are going. Watch it. Yeah. 5 people there, but the whole world to me. You see it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. No love, no love, no love. Go and mash up my juice, you know, is it? Mm-hmm. Guys, me even go hold and beard it. You know, say my hot. I threw my hat, you know, comedy beard already since night. I love that pepper. You love the pepper? Yeah, man. Pepper, nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Have ate the whole pepper? No. Me can't eat, man, but me can't eat pepper, but, you know? I don't feel if you eat it tonight. Me eat the whole of pepper, man. Mm-hmm. Me eat the whole of pepper, man. Is it? Mm. Yes, 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 guys. Don't know, you don't know, you don't know. They are alive, is it? Yes, man. Everybody will come off and come on, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Everybody will come off and come on. And go off and come on again and come off and come on back. Big up on yourself. How that? Nicole, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big. Is it there? Big up there, huh? Big up. They want to big up. She watch the live on her phone. Yes, 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 yes. There. Don't know. Guys, me go on a better live video, man. No, me never know say me coulda go live. Oh, YouTube never tell me say me coulda go live. YouTube, tell me, oh, never tell me say me coulda go live. What go on? Oh, never inform me. Hmm? Me know the most I hear me on YouTube. All never inform me. And my fans them. You know, some fans them coulda more see me live, is it? Yeah. Yeah, man. And some of the time now I come live, you know, so I go write down some of the subscriber them name and I go come and I go big them up. Yeah. Maybe them did tell you. No, no, see it now, guys. Don't know this is the joint. Yardman style. Mm-hmm.
Oh, for somebody else.
Mm-hmm. Sick somebody. Sick somebody I watch. Big up on yourself and sick sound like that means everybody will watch like.
Me in there too?
Yeah. Save somebody now.
How about me can't sing?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're good. Oh that. Carol, you're good. Mm-hmm.
Can't sing.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself, mother. Love you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. The Susie, when you come all 2 years from now, a year from now, when you come from my live, you're going to see enough people from my live. Enough. Just a good. Nothing beat time, is it? Yeah. And big up Sunrise Boss. You know we have to big up Sunrise Boss. Big him up.
Want to fix the TV, you know?
Big up Tixie TV too. You know, say all of the TV they want to watch. Big up on yourself. Big up. Even though you can't reach the live, you have to see this, but big up on yourself. I don't know if it's going to reach, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. And big up to Colors TV too, is it? Issa. Take your time. Big up Uncle Sacks. Straight out of Jamaica from River Stream. Yeah, man, big up all of the TV them I watch. Cause you know, so I never dip on YouTube, but them I usually watch and just get a drive to do my thing, is it? Yeah, man. And look how me say me soon come on for the live and look how long I dip on the live. Come like, me like live. Me like live. Yeah, man. I mean. Mm-hmm. You know, say one day we're going to link up with some of the big cookers them on TV, on YouTube, the Jamaicans cooking channel them, you know, so we're going to link up with them and we're going to do some cooking. Yeah, because we are one community, we are one link. You know, say, maybe, you know, my channel just a come up, because I just a start out, but me are going good, but you know, say, nothing be time it go just get big, and you know, say, the whole of we are going to link up, Sunrise, but everybody, you see it? Be a niceness in the town, is it? Be a niceness. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Everybody with up on the live, big up again. Much people did it, 5 people. Yeah. See giant here, Jamaican giant this. Mm-hmm. You know, say guys, these are youth. I have manners, is it? You know, smoke around people or make smoke trouble people, is it? We just smoke for bowl of meditation, is it? Otherwise from that we just do a thing, is it? But we don't make the weed trouble nobody, we just smoke it for a meditation. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up. Whoa, I nearly drop off. You see that guy? It's like my hand slide there first and nearly drop. You know see what I go on. Look, we never drop on the life. Oi. Subscribe to this is channel, guys. Begin if I told you. Oh, you see? Subscribe. Yeah, man. Bring him go up at toes. Right now, we're on our way to 1,000 subscriber, guys. Nothing beat time. You know, it's a time I go do that. If time not do it, you know, say my content, then I go do it because I'm not stop make content to put on YouTube. Yeah. Whole heap of great content, is it, guys? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. I sweat, make you see my face look so shiny, you know, guys. Is it? Yeah. Mm-hmm. And me have some project I work on too. You see, it makes sense me just tell you now and done. Yeah, me have some project I work on. Me need to do one music video with one youth, but you know say just put it off till ready to do it. You see it? Yeah man, and me have one next, me have a fishing adventure coming up with my brethren. We're gonna just go straight over Port Royal. Whoever see Port Royal, you know, so we're gonna go straight to Port Royal and we're gonna cook some fish on the beach side. Yeah, we'll get a sponsor. Yeah, and when we do the video, we're gonna call the sponsor name. Yeah. And I'm gonna see be a niceness on the beach side. Fish are steam, now see Port Royal, now see the Giddy House, now see me and my brethren them about 2 hours all the vibes. Is it? And you're gonna see fishing and go on, you're gonna see we catch fish. So try stay tuned for that. Oh. Mm-hmm. How much time now I'm up on live? Half an hour nearly. Yeah, half an hour. Half an hour, 1 minute. Yeah. So who want to go and stay up on live, tell me. Comment and tell me. Okay, you know we have better live coming up. Yeah man. Whole heap of love, guys. Whole heap of love. Yeah man. You live on the live? Go on it, you know. Time flies, man. I tell you, man. Look how fast it gone, half an hour, man. If you're tired, you can go and make plans for our next video live. Yes, that's true. Because you know, say, River Stream there, we doing, you know. Right through. You know, say, we not do no wrongs, we end up in a wrong place, so we not for there. You see it? How come you go live and you don't read 1,000 subscribers? That's how it go, man. Yeah, no, we can't go live, man, and you know reach 1,000 subscribers. You never know. Yeah, man. Can't go live, you know reach that. Is it? Yeah, man. This is not TikTok. Yeah. No. When I go live every minute like a TikTok with the fan. This is not TikTok with you. This is my workplace YouTube. Mm-hmm. Yeah man, wagwan now. Wagwan peeps. Don't thief Sunrise Bar style. Yeah, one country we come from. You know say Sunrise Bar say wagwan now. That thought they say from Sunrise Boss evil half ready for ban it. I just people just I like talking, but talking did it before people half ready for ban. People have said that before them ban. So anybody can say it, but you know, people highlight them own style and talking. You know? Yeah. So take your time. Okay, we're done fix that. Okay, fix that now.
Just push it back in.
Yeah, Mr. Bulan. Yeah, guys. See, you know, go over this. Whenever I show your face, go there. See your face, yeah, sure. Yeah. I 3 people left on the line. So guys, I know I say I end me gonna end the live now. So me gonna make the live stay so you don't know. People can see it. Is it? Yeah man. Hello. And guys, next time you know, so when I do my live, you're not gonna see me here. I'm not show me here now. You make me here long down so. Is it? Yeah. Yeah guys. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. So you know, say guys, tomorrow might be do a next live, so I don't know end the live end. No. Yes, thanks. Yeah man. You're welcome. And we have more to come. We have more coming up. Yeah man. Yeah man. Bye. Bye guys. Bye guys. Big up on yourself. Enough love, enough love. Don't know. Oh, you end the live again. Big up, big up, big up. Big up on yourself. How the live in again? Somebody text me. Cause first me I go live. Going live for the first time. Yo. How it in? Save and highlight. Somebody tell me how the live end. Nobody not tell me. the, the people might laugh for me. When I know the live end. How the hell this cup this? The people have tell me how the live end. What's that? Are you sure that you want to stop streaming? Yeah. When you are going live again. Tomorrow. I go live again. Tomorrow. I go live tomorrow again. So it go end now, you can find out how to end it now. So big up on yourself, guys. You're stuck on live. No, find out how to edit. No. Yeah. Big up on yourself, guys. So tomorrow, is it? Yeah.